Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. It's Tracy. We're going to be talking about two palettes. First, the Too Faced Gingerbread Extra Spicy Eyeshadow Palette. Yes, whiskey, it's true. And then the Urban Decay Naked Honey Eyeshadow Palette. This was supposed to be just an unboxing, but I'm not going to lie, I did try the honey palette. I just couldn't wait.
Because I am so excited about these.
As soon as I opened the Sephora box, I smelled Play-Doh. It's supposed to smell like gingerbread, but I don't find that it does. This is the Too Faced Gingerbread Extra Spicy Eyeshadow Palette. It's new, it's limited edition by Too Faced for the holidays 2019. I like the packaging. I think it's really cute and I think it appeals to all ages. There are 18 shadows, 0.024 ounces each. There are 11 mattes and the rest are shimmer, but I really have to try it before I give my opinion, and I'll talk about it more in the future. But I gotta say, the way they swatched, looking pretty good. Really trying to let you see. This looks like it'll be good for travel. Is this going to replace my Tarte Toasted palette? Here are the other 9 shades. So overall, it seems like a really nice palette with a lot of warm shades. I'm kind of shook. Next up, we have the Urban Decay Naked Honey Eyeshadow Palette. You'd think at this point they could drop the naked. How is honey naked? Anyway, really gorgeous packaging. This palette is permanent. It has 12 pans of 0.033 ounces each. It's a brassy gold, brown yellow gold, and neutral shades too, and it's mostly mattes. But I find there's no liner shade in this palette. Even this darkest shade, and I'm very pale, isn't dark enough for me to use as a liner. Maybe that's why they changed the brush, because both sides of the brush look like they're for blending and they're really, really soft. I really like the brush and it's cruelty free. I've struggled for such a long time trying to figure out if I should get this one or not, but I find it is unique and I'm glad I got it. And that'll be it for today. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope I'll see you again. Please subscribe and leave a thumbs up before you leave. I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.